Hello, Beez Bladers! Welcome back, and welcome newcomers to the channel. I have a brand new SENCUT to share with you guys and gals today. I hope you're having a fan-freaking-tastic day. Am I? Yes, I am, because we're checking out a new knife as usual. But this is a brand new SENCUT, and you know what? There's another one coming on the way, and I'm going to be showing it soon. Oh my goodness, the color, the colors on this bad boy. Wow! And don't forget, every Friday night, Beez Blades live at the Hive. Oh, right. We talk about knives just like this. We give away knives like this. We give away premium knives. That's not the reason for the live stream, but it always happens. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, so shiny. I got sidetracked. This is the new SENCUT HYRAX. Would you look at it? Just look at it and all of its HYRAXness. And there's at least 2 or 3 other different versions, different variants. So if you don't like this colorway, at some point in the next minute or two, I'll flash the other ones up on the screen. And you know what? I have high hopes. This looks like it's going to be a tall, flat grind. Oh, mama. And check this out. A little bit of texture vision for you. Nice feel on the texture. It's not overly aggressive, but it's really grippy. I like the grip. Ooh, gotta dig the grip. And check it out. We have, ooh, very, very nice. I'm liking this. Let me get my little pointer here. This is a deep carry reversible clip, and they did, wow, this is, okay, so this is SENCUT. These are less than 40 bucks, and yet they took out the time or the energy or the effort or the money, and they recessed the clip into the liners. This very impressive, very, very impressive, with flat screws. If SENCUT can do this on a knife that costs less than 40 bucks, I'm thinking other companies need to follow suit, because that's awesome. I get annoyed when pocket clips catch on my pocket and it's low profile. I'm thinking this is going to have some darn pretty good ergonomics. And the jimping on there, it's too bad they didn't take the jimping all the way to the edge. That way it would have caught my finger. So the jimping, I'm giving them a because they should have put another one up there just to be a little more grippy. You ready to see this blade? Pow! Right in the kisser. Oh yeah, I like that. Ooh, yeah, it's kind of a drop pointy spear point, you know, went under the bleachers, and 9 months later they had this blade. Wow, and it is tall. Oh my gosh, where's my tape measure ruler thingy? That is a tall blade. I love tall blades like this. So this is coming in at, look at that, just under 1.5 inches. Very, very cool. And you know what? While we have it on the table, let's just take a quick look here and see what we're working with. So we're coming in at about 7.6 or so inches. The total blade length on this bad boy is about 3.2 inches. Your sharpen length's right there at 3 inches on the nose. And your handle, your total handle, usable handle, is coming in right around the 4-inch mark. And we have a usable forward choil. You're good to go with sharpening. I'm telling you, SENCUT is hard to beat. And ooh, so we have, I don't know if you'd call that a harpoon, but I'm liking it. And the jimping up here, right there. Perfecto, El Perfecto jimping. What's our lockup? The lockup's right where we want it. And are we centered? Let's see. Oh yeah, she's centered. And do you see how I just slipped off there? If there was jimping right up on the edge, that wouldn't have happened. So that's probably my only nitpick so far. Oh yeah, it comes flying out with authority. Now, your access, it doesn't have a ton of access, and there's not a lot of grip. You can see these indentations here, or jimps, if you will. They're not grabby, they're slick, and they're smooth. So I am having to put pressure downward and then push over on the crossbar, liner, locky-do, the liner lock. And, okay, just to give you an indication, you can see there what I'm doing. So if you have issues with your fingers, or you have, I don't know, soft skin, buttery smooth, you may not appreciate that, because if you like to fidget and flip your, oh my gosh, this thing, it's droppy shutty. It has really good action. I'm just telling you right now. But that right there, I am having to dig my thumb just a little bit, because it doesn't have the traction that I prefer, where it grabs my skin. I actually have to use pressure to push it over. It's not difficult. It's just, it's not the most comfortable in the world. But that's okay, because we're talking about like a $38 knife. So the action, oh my goodness, here's a little bit of sound division for you. So really nice with the flipper. And how about these thumb studs? How's these working? Using the 2-finger method, which I like to do with thumb stud because it really makes them pop out. That works well. The reverse flick, there's just enough room to get your finger behind there to do a reverse flick. And I'm wondering, can I do it with my index finger? Oh yeah, easy reverse flick with the index. I like that. I appreciate that. Here's a couple quick size comparisons for you. Here's the QSP Penguin, because everybody should have a penguin, right? And besides the penguin, what else we got going on over here? I have the raccoon, the Vosteed raccoon. There's the penguin. Here's the Civivi Elementum 2 button lock. And I was trying to, oh, it's, okay. This one's in my pocket. This is, okay, there we go. Here is the SENCUT Saxy. I've been carrying this one this week. I was checking out a new knife sharpener and I was sharpening this bad boy, but I've been carrying it. So if you have a SENCUT Saxy, now, oh, wait a minute. Is this, hold the bus. Is that a hollow grind? Hold the bus. Wait, look at, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. I know it's not in focus, but check that out. It is a hollow grind. Swing daddy. That's, oh, I like this knife that much more. Wow. Oh, nice. Okay, I just got sidetracked. Did I show you the comparisons? Yeah, I did. You got to see the general size comparisons. This is a hollow ground blade. Hollow ground, it's 9CR, I'm pretty sure. Let's see, can we see it? It's hard to get it in the light. 9CR 18 MOV blade steel. So it's a budget blade steel. It's a good blade steel. I like it. It's easy to sharpen, easy to keep sharp and hone up. Nice thumb studs, nice G10, reversible clip, liner lock. Now let's check out the ergos. My hand is 4 inches from here to here, 3.5 from here to here, and from the bottom of my palm to the tip of my middle finger is 7.25. And oh yeah, oh, I'll have what he's having. Yes, very, very good. I can't even tell that pocket clip is there. Wow, and the grip, oh, this is an awesome knife. Oh my gosh. This is a very cool knife. I love it. I love that thumb ramp. It locks my thumb in. That is very cool. Besides the fact that it has a very cool looking blade, it's all the hollow grind. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? And yes, I can get choked up here. Don't get choked up. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. This is a cool knife. Let me see what it feels like going in and out of my pocket. Yeah. Okay. So I have some Duluth trading pants on, which aren't the thinnest pants in the world. It's not catching on my pocket. It's going right in and out. No snaggages. So, okay, this is a winner. This is definitely a winner. And it's a budget knife. It'd be really cool if SENCUT or we made something similar to this, although they may have already. Is make this in even the more premium models, but for less than 40 bucks. Oh my gosh. Every time a new SENCUT comes out, I'm just like, wow. I mean, for the price, for what you get, that's a very cool knife. I like it. I totally dig it. The new SENCUT HYRAX. Let me know what you think about this, and we'll talk about it on the live stream this coming Friday. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Now, let me know what you think. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy my content, and leave a comment down below. We'll talk about it on the live stream. And then go watch this video. You'll really enjoy that. And until I see you again in the lives or the chats, or right after you hit the notification all button, remember, live life in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.